So from the butterfly garden, now we are going to other side. Wow, look at this plant. Guys, look at the plant, guys. So nice. We call this millionaire. So nice here. So let's walk again and see what we can discover. Wow. There's another. I don't know what's inside there. But yeah, let's go and take a look. But first we need to sit there, right? Before we go there, guys, we're going to sit first. There. We rest a bit and then we walk again. My goodness. Love, come. There's a butterfly here. So here, guys, we're going to relax a bit here because we still have a lot of different area here to discover. So me and Peter is going to eat something first and drink and relax. It's like me and him is doing a picnic. Okay, we're going to eat a bit first. There, Peter is now. Okay, you put the bag down there. Although we don't have the roof don't have cover, but it's okay because there's trees giving shade. So trees are really important, guys. See, even it's very hot, but because of the help of the branches of the tree, it's not sunny in that side. So I'm going there to relax also. Are you okay? Say hi.
Hi,
Yeah, welcome to the Bintulu Zoo. There, our food is in that bag. So now we're going to eat a bit and then room again. Rooming again and again and again. Oh, wow, so relaxing here. Fresh air, nice view. I will go there now. So here we are, guys. We're sitting on this table here. Um, Same like the table there. So we bring food. This is our food, hot dog, then cheese, and this is curry pop, and then bread and banana um, there, and then orange, and then our drinks is there inside. So so relaxing here. Just the two of us sitting, listening to the bird sound, then having fresh air. You see, very nice view. only the two of us. There. So, what can you say?
I'm enjoying myself thoroughly. Out of the house, away from the TV, enjoying nature, listening to the birds, seeing the things around me. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's so relaxing, guys. When you come here, see this is a very big place here, and nobody around. Maybe some go back already, so it's the two of us here sitting. Anyway, we're doing here also social distancing, so they are not. Maybe some are in a different location in this zoo, but yeah, it was a very nice day. Still, we have different.
Still got to go to other things as well that we want to look at. Still got to go there to the top. I think at the top there's the cactus.
Yeah, because we need to go to the orchid side, to the cactus side, and there's still like a forest that I want to go. There's a side here that um, look like.
A lot of stuff here that we can do over weekends. This is probably my third best day that I've had here since I've been here for 3 years. First one was going to Tom's Hideaway
Yeah, and
that we
Miri.
were together was such a beautiful place. So nice to be all alone there. Beautiful beach, beautiful chalet. No worries.
Yeah, we're still going there. Maybe I don't know when he have his leave, and if we're no more that busy, so we plan to go back in that place so that you can also see. So this is a very satisfying day for us, and we enjoy the food. We bring our own food here, and after we eat, of course, we're going to clean this table and then bring also our like this one. We're going to bring this home, put in a plastic. We don't up leave any.
Even there is a
Yeah,
litter
even
bin
those
but we'll
here
still
like.
take it out.
Yeah, we already bring extra plastic, so we can have bring those rubbish that we have from our eating. We don't want to leave it here, just to respect this place.
All
So
we're gonna leave is the crumbs, breadcrumbs for the birdies.
yeah, this no, will be eaten by birds, the breadcrumbs. So it is really an enjoyable day. See, butterfly is flying. You can see that one. Or you don't have to be in expensive places for you to enjoy, because you can enjoy by your own. I mean, just simple things to do can make you enjoy also, as long as you're happy. It's just everything will be okay.
This is life.
Yeah.
This is life. No rush. Nobody telling you this, nobody telling you that. Just resting, enjoying nature like it should be. Like we said, in the city, but look at this.
Yeah, this is in the city,
We're in the
guys.
city, but look here. This is literally, we can walk to here from our home.
So we're done eating, guys. We didn't finish our food. We still have cheese, and then hot dogs, curry puffs, and the orange we haven't eat. But we finished only the banana, and then some drinks. We still have drinks inside there, water and other kind of drinks. So now we're going to clean the table before we leave. Need to clean the table here and make sure that this is clean before we leave. We have there the plastic there, right, to put our rubbish. So we need to clean first. We start cleaning. Okay, need to cover this. cover. No, those. Okay, it's okay. Okay, you want to wait that. So there, we bring our rubbish so that we don't put left any rubbish here, and we're going to clean.
Wrap this thing up, okay?
Okay, wrap the umbrella first. We use umbrella because when we come here, it's a bit raining. Ayan. Now we need to put it in the bag. Peter is doing those things. I'm just I'm sitting here taking video. Now we still have drinks here inside. So we're done our rest and our a bit of eating. So now we're ready to walk. So as you see, the table we clean already. We don't leave any rubbish there. Now we need to go down at that stairs and then walk. We go at that side there.